gotten a lot of questions about how to set up Twitch, and I am going to walk you through everything I know. I'm going to show it all on screen so you can just follow along with me. The first thing you are going to do is open your creator dashboard and go to Stream Manager. This is basically your home base before you go live. From here, you'll set your title, your go live notification, your category, and your tags. And actually do your tags here on Twitch instead of in Streamlabs or OBS because Twitch lets you pick from the most popular ones, which just makes more sense. And if you are playing a mature game, don't worry, the tag does get added on its own here automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Next is manage goals. You don't have to use these, but your viewers can actually see them while you're live, which is kind of fun. It also gives people something to cheer you on for. Start with a follower goal. 500 is a really good starting point, and then add a little description to make it feel more personal. Hit start goal and it'll show up at the top of your screen when you go live. You can also add a sub goal or bit goal as well, but I would say wait for it because you haven't hit affiliate yet, so I don't think those options will show up anyways. And once your goals are set, make sure you hit set up goal alerts so you actually get notified when you hit them. So for alerts, when you open this up, most of them are already checked off. What you want to do is go through and remove any alerts you already have running in Streamlabs or OBS so nothing is doubling up. Then you're going to save your alert as a link, go into Streamlabs or OBS and paste it as a browser source. Come back to Twitch and hit send a test alert just to confirm it's actually working. Now head to Analytics and click Research. This is where you can see average views for the game you're thinking about streaming. And what you're looking for is something with decent views but not a ton of channels streaming it. That's how you actually get discovered. Like Valorant, for example, it's almost impossible to get found in that category. Don't you see how many views it has in channels? Like that's insane to me. So yeah, I've been streaming Valorant and for 2 years and I have had almost zero discoverability. So it's about time I switched something out. As you see, something like Baldur's Gate is way more realistic, but there are more games that are nicher and like, is that a word? More niche? I think more niche. Wait. Also, if you go, you'll notice that there are milestone achievements and your first big one is affiliate. That's when you start getting monetized. After that is partner, which is where it really starts to feel sustainable. I only have affiliate. I don't have many viewers, but you know, it's definitely possible. And I think I still know what I'm talking about, I think. In community, you just want to make sure that your stream bots are moderators, so Streamlabs, Ko-fi if you're using it, and honestly don't stress about donations right now, just focus on getting to affiliate first. For the content tab, don't change anything yet since you won't have any videos at this point anyway. And when you do, you'll want your stream set to automatically publish to your page. I'll go over that more when we get to that tab. Clips is where any clips your viewers make of you will show up. You can feature them on your page or make your own. Having around 4 clips on your page is a really nice amount to have. Now for moderation, it is really important and honestly kind of personal preference, but at the very least enable the verified phone number requirement. That alone makes a huge difference with bots, and I'll also have my settings up on screen so you can see what I use and just go from there. And if you do end up getting bots, don't stress about it because Twitch does handle it. I had like 2,000 bot followers at one point. I reported it, and within a couple of weeks, they cleaned it up. For stream settings, you want low latency so you can actually keep up with your chat in real time. Make sure you have disconnect protection, copyright audio warning, store past broadcasts, and always publish VODs all turned on. Just don't publish it if you're doing a test stream. Also enable your clips so your viewers can clip you. For raids, set the minimum to 3 viewers, and you can turn on the above thresholds option too for extra protection against bot raids. Channel settings is where you can update your name and write your bio. As for links, only add a YouTube or Discord if you can actually keep up with them, and don't feel pressured with it. It's easy to burn yourself out trying to maintain everything at once. And real quick, if this has been helpful at all, just please hit the subscribe button. It generally means a lot. Also, I do stream on Twitch, so come hang out with me. You can use bits, trigger, sound alerts, change my voice, all kinds of fun stuff. And you can also learn what it's like to start streaming as well, so link is down below. For viewer rewards, it is honestly one of the best things for keeping people engaged on your stream. I added some challenges, you can see them on screen. For power-ups, you can't fully disable them, but you can raise the cost, which is what I did. And just make sure you're adding cooldowns and limits, especially on things like on-screen celebrations, otherwise it just gets chaotic real fast. And for default rewards, go through the collection and just pick what feels right for your stream. Add cooldowns and limits whenever it makes sense. Emotes. So make sure you have both animated and static ones. As you see, I have to update this, really have to update this. And while you do have the emotes, just make sure that they're progressively more fun as the tiers go up, so people actually want to describe at a higher tier. You can grab custom ones on Etsy, find free ones online, or make your own. Twitch has free default emojis too, but having your own just makes your channel feel much more like yours. For drops, make sure your drops are enabled. Basically, drops are free in-game rewards that viewers earn just by watching your stream. So if you are playing a game with drops, people will genuinely stay on your stream longer to get them. It is a really easy way to boost watch time. We are almost there at the end. Now for streaming tools, it is worth browsing through. There is stuff for overlays, viewer engagement, and a lot of different things, and just read what each one does and see what it fits. And this is also where you want to download your streaming software, either Streamlabs or OBS. If you want me to do a whole video comparing them, just let me know in the comments. Last thing is extensions. These are so fun because they let your viewers actually interact with your stream. I have sound alerts on so people can spend bits to play sounds while I'm live, and there are so many options. Just go through and pick which one feels like you. I'm still building mine out, so I'll keep you updated as I add more. And that's genuinely everything. I hope this helped. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below because I do read everything. Now, good luck with your streams. I'm rooting for you seriously, and see you in the next one.